Hello everyone and welcome back to Dev Portal. In the final part of our series on nested and inner classes, today we will cover local classes and enormous classes, two types of inner classes often used in specific situation. So first let's talk about local class. A local class is a class that is defined inside a method or a block. It is only accessible within the scope of that method or a block. Let me show you how. First I will create one outer class, outer class. And what I will do, inside this class I will create one method, void outer method, and inside this method I will create one class. So class local class, and inside this class I will create one method void display, and I will add print statement sysout inside local class. Now to access this display method, what I will do, inside this outer method itself I will create instance of local class local equal to new local class, and I will call local dot display. So whenever I call this outer method, it will create object of local class and it will call this method. So let me go to the main method, main method, and what I will do, I will create object of outer class first, outer class outer equal to new outer class. Now object is created. Now I will call outer method, outer dot outer method, and I will save this code and let me run, and you can see in the console it is printing inside local class. Here the local class is defined within the outer method of outer class. This class can only be initiated and used within the scope of the method. Now let's talk about enormous classes. An enormous class is a class without a name, often used for short-term purpose such as overriding method on the fly. Let me show you how. So first let me remove this code. I will clean main method as well, and now I will create one interface first. Interface name will be suppose greet. Inside this interface I will define one method void say hello. Now I will go to the main method. First I will create one greet class inside this main method. So for that I will type greet equal to new greet, and inside this greet class I will try to access greet interface. So for that I need to type @override public void say hello. I will add sysout statement saying hello, to you. Let me save, override. Now I will call greet.sayhello. Let me save and run this code, and you can see it is printing say hello to you. So here in this example we created an enormous class that implements the greet interface. So the class which is created here, this is the enormous class, and it is implementing the greet interface which is created here, and provide a specific implementation of the say hello method which I have override. So that's it for our series on nested and inner classes in Java. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next tutorial on Dev Portal.